Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, end of the quarter and end of the month. We do got a few economic news releases scheduled for today. We're going to jump right in with the Case-Shiller Home Price Index. This is one of like about 4 or 5 indexes we kind of view out there on home prices. So back in December, we had a 4.6% year-over-year increase in home prices, and in January it came up 4.5%. Still good, modest numbers there for us. We got the Chicago PMI for the month of March, and that is the manufacturing in the Chicago region. So anything below 50 is considered contraction, and anything above is expansion. So as you can see, back in February we had a 45.8 contraction, and again in March it contracted again at 46.3. So 2 months in a row of contraction in the Chicago region. Obviously not doesn't exactly bode well. But on the other hand, we have consumer confidence for the month of March, and we see an increase in that. So we had a 98.8 back in February, and we thought that was going to pull back a little bit in March at 96.6, and actually went up to 101.3. So good numbers right there. So kind of a mixed bag of news there, with the Chicago PMI kind of dragging it down a little bit. Stock market's down a little bit today. There's some we're looking at that, but a lot of it is being attributed more to the investors are kind of looking at quarterly corporate. They don't think corporate are going to have good quarterly results this year, so they're not feeling too optimistic in regards to corporate results that are going to be coming up. You're going to be seeing some of that coming up here pretty soon. Also, some comments made by a Fed member, Lacker. He expects inflation to come up and the economy to pick up, that he thinks the Fed should start raising rates sooner than later. So he's kind of pushing more for a June rate hike versus later in the summer, September, where a lot of people are kind of thinking it might land. Bond yields, we're actually up a little bit today, which helps us out with the interest rate. So we have a slight improvement in our pricing for interest rates today. So good news right there overall. Thanks again for watching, folks. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.